Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to send multiple photos to a group on the Instagram app using your PC with the latest update. This new feature makes sharing your favorite moments with friends and family easier than ever right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side menu and click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. This will open your direct messages where all your conversations are listed. Next, find the group chat where you want to send your photos. Click on the group to open the conversation window. At the bottom of this window, you'll see the message bar where you usually type your messages. Right next to it, there's a photo icon. Click on that to begin selecting photos from your computer. A File Explorer window will pop up. Choose one of the photos you want to share and click Open. But don't worry, you're not limited to just one photo. After your first selection, you'll see an option that says Upload another photo, video. Click on this to add more photos from your PC. You can repeat this step as many times as you like until you've selected all the photos you want to send. Once you've added all your photos, take a quick look to make sure everything is ready. When you're satisfied, simply click Send. Instagram will upload and deliver all your selected photos to the group chat at once. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now easily send multiple photos to any Instagram group using your PC. This update really streamlines sharing, so you no longer need to switch to your phone to share multiple images. Give it a try and keep your group chats lively and full of memories. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.